Good morning, student. This is FI BSc semester first, paper second, physics principle and application. Chapter fifth, applications of electromagnetic waves. The next article is application is X-ray radiography. What is by X-ray radiography? Radiography is the use of X-rays to view a non-uniformly composed material such as the human body. A heterogeneous beam of X-rays is produced by an X-ray generator and is projected towards the object as shown in figure 1. These are the two figures. First one is radiation source or used for welding, and second one is for medical use. The density and composition of each area determines how much of the rays is absorbed. The X-rays that pass through are captured behind the objects by a detector, either photographic film or digital detector. The detector gives a two-dimensional representations of all the structure of superimposed on each other. These are the two diagrams. First one is for welding purpose and second one is for medical purpose. In welding purpose, the welding defects are found in used by X-ray radiography, and for medical use, the X-ray radiography is used for to fracture the bones in the human body. X-ray radiography involves the use of invisible, highly penetrating, short wavelength electromagnetic radiation of non-destructively to obtain an image of hidden details. This radiation is generated by an X-ray tube in laboratory equipment as shown in figure 1a. This is figure 1a, this figure. This is the radiation source. Radiation will be put in this sheet, metal sheet, and find the defect of this sheet. Then it is transmitted through the sample of interest, say welding or any purposes. When it is attenuated depending on density, structure and thickness of the materials. Areas where more radiation is transmitted, light element, thin section, produce a higher signal or a darker area on the film. When the source of radiation is very small, magnification can be achieved with good resolution. Radiographers now often do computer tomography, means CT scan, mammography, ultrasound and magnetic resonance imaging. Basic mechanism of radiography image production includes mechanical production of X-ray by passing high voltage through a cathode ray tube, transfers a patient and being partially absorbed. The X-ray photon that transmitted through the patient are intercepted by an image receptor and produce a photograph of radiographic film or other recording medium as shown in figure 1b. This is the figure 1. This. The source will be put in this patient hand and found the fracture of the bone in radiographic plate or detector. Conventional radiography makes use of transmitted radiation to expose film, which is developed using photographic technique to reveal an image. This is more established technique, well known for its medical application, and laboratory equipment involved is relatively inexpensive. The uses of X-ray radiography. Where to use X-ray radiography? X-ray help dentists to detect diseases of the teeth. Doctors use X-ray to locate bullet and other foreign objects within the body. They are also used to detect cancer, ulcer, kidney stone and other abnormalities. X-rays can halt the growth of the cells and even destroy them, although altogether they are used for destroy tumors or any defected cells. X-ray have also been used in the treatment of leukemia. Scientists are learn how atoms are arranged in crystal. They are studying in the crystallography. Custom officers and airport security personnel use X-ray in examining luggage and packages to check for weapons or smuggled articles or material. It is used in examination and analysis of patient and archaeological substances.